Oh, look at those chin hairs, my favorites. So I realized the other day that I forgot to use this wax. It's called Golden Allure by Sexy Smooth Wax. I forgot to use it on the face for you guys. So here we are doing a nice little chin wax to show you guys how she does. And I need to find someone with some nice hairy legs so I can do that as well. Don't you worry, I'm on top of it. So we already knew this strip was going to dry fast based on the other videos that we seen me do, okay? And I'm going to try to take this off to where it just comes off in one nice pull. There we go. You see that? Them hairs are gone. Okay, Golden Allure, I see you. Sexy Smooth Wax. Let me find out you guys are onto something with this wax, because so far it has not been disappointing. So don't forget, if you want to try it out, guys, it's only $10.75 a bag. Definitely recommend buying in bulk because that's a really good deal. So stock up, if you know what I mean. I'm just doing a sideways cleanup here just to make sure we get the little vellus hairs and those little thick, like red undertone hairs that you can't really see. And then just do a little stagger to take off that strip. And usually you're good by then. Follow up with aftercare and we are all good to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.